Yeah, welcome to welcome to Motinet Design. In the continuation of our remodel building that we were working on. So in the last episode, we were able to create the staircase and put some things in order by the window. So if you are joining us for the first time, we are on this. This is the this is our episode 6. So we designed this. It's a remodeling house, like I've said. So it's designed this one. We have 6 apartments of self-contained studio house at the ground floor. So you check the design very well the way we started from the beginning. So this is the second one as well, the first floor. So this one contains 4 apartments, a 1 bedroom flat that contains everything, kitchen inclusive. So this is a 2 bedroom apartment that is uniquely designed to accommodate a family. So we have 3 here. So we divided it into 3 with a different pattern but the same quality, and that's what we do here. So now you can subscribe to this channel if you like what we are doing. We have a lot of videos on this channel completely, so you subscribe to the channel and keep watching. So we want to continue with the elevation. So let's say this is the building. Let's say so now I didn't put window on the ground floor. Let me quickly go and do that so that I will focus more on the design completely. So let me say architecture window. So this is where we are. We click here to check whether what we do is actually okay. So this is what we should change this one to 1. So we start putting windows where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to say put it here, here. So understand our system. So for every area that need this, we touch them all together. So we have not finished all the arrangement of this, but we still come back to come and do the detailing and put everything in the order. So for just like get everything done the way it's supposed to, so that you're able to continue to learn the system of our design. So this is how far. So for the elevation that we are going to continue to put in, this will help us to arrange them very well. So I'm going to say select all instance in this video because you know it's all about mirror. So sorry for the mouse as I said before. So you just say select all instance in this view. So what you do, you just go click and mirror it. So mirror so that you'll be able to fix everything you need to. What have I done? Soon repeating. So cancel, select all distance in this view. What are you doing? Then upload. So select all distance in this view. What isn't selected? Select it. So just let's move on. So now I will do it manually so that I'll be able to complete it at once. My mouse is the issue, so don't be offended concerning that. So until I'm able to go to town and get a mouse to fix all this at once. So you just have to fix a window and I think I'm done with that. So we look at it from 3D, you see that okay, it's been represented. Now let's go to level 4 where we can fix the roof. So I will just say underlay on a level 3. So what I need to do, I'm not going to have everything in point. The reason is that there are an issue that need to be considered when I'm designing this, because this roof is not going to be a straight down one at once. So I'm going to give different thing at this level because now just let's continue so that I will not be bore you with my full explanation. So what I need to do first is that I will select from here, just zoom, select the wall, and say select all instances in this view. Copy everything and go and paste it on the level 4 here. You remove the internal one. So level 4 and say paste here. So say paste. I didn't do what I need to do. Select all instances. I've said it now. Select all instances in this view. Okay. Select all instances in this view. Then copy to clipboard. Okay. So come to this and say paste, align to current view. So this one has given me the direction in which I want to go. So all I need is that everything within, I don't need them again, but I have to stream them from external first so that I'll be able to focus on the part in which I want to focus on and to set. So soon get so and join this. So do the same thing here and join this like that. So join it. So you do the same thing here too. So do the same thing here and join this. Cancel. So do the same, just join there and join. So you do the same thing, delete the instance. So you do the same thing here too. So then you go here. The mouse is giving me this in this way. So you go there too and join it. And join it. So you go there and then you click. So I have what I need to have here. So what I just need now is that I will trim, I will still trim and remove those ones that are not working for me. Okay, now I can just remove what I need to remove. So now delete the select now, then delete this. So select so much. So you just say it like this one now. Delete, then delete instance. Do the same thing here if possible. And delete this one. Then every other area there, you know that just delete them all. Okay, let me just hide this. Hide all this in category because I don't see the follow here. I see how they unfollow, but I don't see them useful for now. So hide the category. So I'll be able to concentrate on what I'm working on. It's taking much time. So I'm going to see. Okay, I think with this now, delete, that's what I press. I didn't press you to remodel. Okay, just say select on instance in this view. Okay, say okay. Select all instance in this view. Then you delete all. So just click to fix up everything. Okay. Select all instance in this view as well. Then delete all. So there's no window, no door, any other. So delete all need to be deleted. So focus on the external references. and you build everything you want to build from that personal level. So what have I done? Just click and see editor. Okay, so this is how far it goes. So what we do is that we now work on this as our, so we start the project setup. So what I need to do is to cover up because the whole space is being visible. So I will just say roof level, and then I'll work on this particular roof space. So I'm going to use a peak line to do the work. So this, I'm going to use peak line to work with that. Okay, I think with this I can actually okay. Now select everything. Select all. It's powerful now. Then go to define slope, remove it. So you generate one slope that you are working on and call it this one. You just use it, let it fall be backside. So you guys will call it to say just use 6 degree to do that. So when you do that, saying something, so you say continue. So continue on that level. So you draw this line as being what's requested, and you trim this one. It's being requested as well. So what you do here is that you remove the slope, then you click finish. Now you say no, do not detach. So go to 3D and see that the building is now wholly fitted. So this one we do the design we want to do to it when we come back for the next. So this is how far we go concerning this particular elevation. So the building of the whole building issue has been completed in this level. So what we need next is that we now start strategically changing this style from the elevation aspect. So that is, you can just increase this one again to 8 to view the impact of the roof system. So like all this one at the back, you reduce their height to fit in. So in the next elevation approach, that is what we want to work on. So this is how the house looks like for now. So see you in the next tutorial where we are going to work on the reality of what we are doing completely. Thanks for watching.